Hello guys, thank you for watching Flourish by Flora, and if you're new here, please do subscribe and please click that like and notification bell as well so you'll be updated for all new videos. Thank you. Okay guys, so in today's video I'm going to do another unboxing. So the unboxing for today is this. Is her huge. Is her huge. Ay, let's okay, let's open and see what's in here, because I will be surprised again what's in here because I don't know what's in here. As usual, is it, darling?
Yes.
You always buy things that you don't tell me, and then when I open it, I'm surprised what's in there. Let's see, guys. Let's open. Oh, I can see. I can see. Could you take the box? Look at this, guys. Wow, it's wok. Wow, I have a feeling I'm going to do lots of cooking from now on. Oh, darling, you're doing the cooking, are you?
Basta.
So this is wok. Let's see what kind of wok is this.
Try not to scratch the thwok inside.
Let's see. The sellotape is so strong so it doesn't come out from the box. Yes, so that's it. Have a look. Hey, that is a spatula. That's the handle. I don't know what's that. Oh, it's quite heavy, guys.
That's good. Heavier the better.
Yeah. Ding. Okay, so let's see. Wow, I'm so excited. I got a wok. Thank you so much, darling. I got a wok.
So it's a good quality and doesn't rust.
Because my wok is already getting rusty.
I don't think it's rust.
What
Doesn't
is
look
it?
like rust.
Is it not rust?
I don't think so.
Okay. Oh, so it's properly covered, guys. Properly, what do you call that? Protected. Oh, wow.
Yeah, because I don't want it to get scratched as it
Yeah.
transit.
So that is the lid. It's quite heavy. So it's nice.
So there should be a handle for the lid as well.
Yeah.
Somewhere.
Yes.
Probably. And the round one should be the handle for the wok that you can take up if you want to put it in the oven.
But there should be something in here, and it's nothing.
It's that thing you just hold.
This?
Yeah.
For this?
No, that's for the lid.
That's the lid.
Yeah, that's for the lid what you're holding.
Oh, so like this. And this one is for this.
Yeah, that should just screw in.
Oh, so you can do this when we are ready to use it.
Yeah.
So that is the lid, guys. So it's like a very...
The handle.
That's the handle. So I just don't know why this...
That's the handle for the lid. There should be some screws. So
yeah, but there should be
the screws for that
another one more, darling.
No.
For this.
That's it. You just put it there.
Like
There
this.
should be a screw. Where is the screw?
No screw. That's it.
What's that?
That's
Nothing
the
in there?
that's the thing from here. Nothing.
Don't tell me we have to send the whole thing back because there's no screw.
There's no. Oh my God! It's incomplete, guys. Because this is the thing here.
That's just to let the air out.
So this one, like that.
Yeah, should be a screw to screw that. Or maybe does this come
That's
off?
the screw from inside.
See?
That's the screw.
Is the screw? So we
that's
just
the-
unscrew this and then
So,
screw it there.
so unscrew this and then put it under, and
Yeah.
and then you can put it together. So normally, it's a rounded thing on top.
Yeah.
It's not like this.
Yeah.
Because there's no picture, so I don't know.
How about on the leaflet?
And the leaflet, there's no picture either, so it just say "wok."
Just plain.
So just like that. So that is the instruction, guys. This is the only one included. How to know to use it.
I have to read that so you know what to do.
So it's a carbon steel wok. And a wok lid stainless steel spatula. So it's only this. This is already pre-seasoned. Wash and dry after cooking. And then coat it with a layer of cooking oil. To form a protective layer of oil film on the wok surface to achieve the effect of non-stick and long-term use. Wash the wok with by hand with mild soap. We don't have we don't have dishwasher. Do not wash in the dishwasher. It's not a storage container. Do not store your food for a long time in the wok. But of course, always put it on the table, is it, to eat? So, I don't want to use this. I like to use wood. This is metal.
Yeah, I prefer wood or plastic.
Yeah.
That would scratch it.
It looks nice, but it's a bit rough here.
Oh, yeah.
So I will use the wooden spatula. So it will be nicer.
So keep it in its
So it is
sleeve.
like that. Oh, so it matches the color.
Yeah.
But it doesn't matches this. Too dark. Let me see how heavy it is. Oh, it's quite heavy. It's quite nice. And then let's see. Oh, it's flat bottom.
Yeah, it's better when it's got. So you can use it on any type of cooker.
Yeah.
We don't need to put that metal thing anymore that we got on
The
there.
rounded thing.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you need that for your other wok.
Yeah. So there is no name. So it's a no name.
Very unusual.
Yeah, it's a Flourish by Flora wok.
Nothing on the leaflet.
No,
Nothing on the box.
no. It only called wok. Carbon steel wok. And that's it. So it's fine. I can
Very
name
unusual
this.
for it not to have any brand name.
So I can name this Flourish by Flora wok. Yeah, so this is the unboxing today, guys. This wok. Wow, I'm so happy I got wok, so I can start cooking
And the wok.
my wok. And it's okay. It's quite deep, nice and deep.
Yeah.
So I can cook pancit.
Pancit canton.
Yeah. Noodles. And you can cook your spaghetti.
No, I use my
You
big
use
saucepan
your-
for that.
So
That doesn't need stir frying.
so this is for me.
Yes.
Thank you so much, darling. Thank you so much. You know what I want.
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you so much. Okay, guys, so this is the unboxing for today. This wok. So Okay guys, thank you so much for watching and see you on my next video. Thank you. Ta-ra. Love, love, love.